This 3D printer tripled our production and blew our minds. You'll find out how on the 3D Printing Zone. In 2020, my son started a 3D printing business. He called it 3D Prints Charming. Pretty clever, huh? We bought 8 cheap printers and started selling ornaments. We soon learned how to create lithophane ornaments and people loved them. What is a lithophane? Well, according to Wikipedia, a lithophane is a thin plaque of translucent material, normally porcelain, which has been molded to varying thickness such that when lit from behind, the different thicknesses show as different shades, forming an image. Using porcelain limits the shape you can mold, but 3D printing lithophanes opens up so many possibilities. This is a huge topic and I'll create a video about lithophanes. They're awesome, they make great gifts, and they're a great source of income if you're interested. Anyway, fast forward till now, we've scaled down the business to just 2 printers. We just ran out of room. These printers are slow and take 6 hours to print 1 ornament. That means we have to take orders months before Christmas just to have time to print them. We received the S1 Pro from FLSUN and it's so fast. I mean, I can't even explain it. Just watch this. It printed a benchy in 8 minutes. That's wild. It's definitely not perfect, but that's acceptable for that speed. Here's a similar benchy I printed on a flash forge in 14 minutes. Can you see the difference? We wanted to see how fast it can print an ornament. So we designed one and sent it to the printer while also printing one on the slow printer. One hour. 1 hour. That's it. That is unbelievable. That means we could print 6 of these in the time it takes to print 2 normally. That's like buying 3 more printers, but only using 1 outlet and 1 spot on the shelf. The quality is similar, but I had to use different filament that doesn't present lithophanes as good. That's because our current filament can't print that fast. We've been printing lithophanes since 2020. We have found the best filament for lithophanes, but not at that speed. We'll make a video and link it at the top and in the description. The S1 Pro is super tall. It's not 3 times as tall, so I believe you're still saving space, but it's also super heavy at 90 pounds. That's the heaviest printer I own so far. Thanks to this printer, we don't have to buy 3 more just to triple our production. But how does that blow our minds? Well, the speed is one thing, but there are other things that really impressed us. And keep in mind, I've been using 3D printers since 2018, and I've owned 18 printers. This printer is a Delta printer. If you're unfamiliar with Delta printers, they are at least twice as tall as the area they print. That's because they need to make room for their print arms. I think this deters many people from buying a Delta printer. They're just really tall. FLSUN has taken advantage of that space and incorporated not just a spool holder, but a cabinet where the spool holder sits and can be heated and dehydrated if necessary. You can see the temperature of that cabinet and the humidity level too. There's a slot for the water absorbing beads, also known as desiccants, and get this, the spool holder measures the weight of the spool to tell you how much it has left. That's cool. That blew our minds. I haven't seen anything like that yet. To make things more exciting, the build surface has intelligent bed heating. That means instead of heating up everywhere, it just focuses on the area where the print covers, saving you energy, money, and time. It has other AI components like clog, spaghetti, and debris detection, which I actually needed. The first time we printed the ornament, the nozzle wasn't close enough to the bed to get that first clean layer. Over time, the print started to wobble and eventually popped off of the bed. And just like that, the spaghetti detection worked. Now we have a bowl with spaghetti. We'll be making a lot more videos with the S1 Pro, an unboxing video, a complete in-depth review video, so I don't need to mention other details at this time. This printer isn't cheap. It retails at $1,500. However, they have a sale going on for $100 off. Plus, if you use our affiliate link in the description and our code during checkout, FLSUN 3DPZ, you can get an additional $100 off. So don't forget to use that as you're checking out. We want to thank FLSUN for sponsoring this video and sending us the printer. We're excited to see what else it can do. If you're looking for a cheaper option but still need to print fast, check out this video. It's one of the best printers I own at that price. And if you're new to 3D printing, check out this one. Was my microphone showing this whole time? Whoops.